Automatic meme coin trading has never been easier with this meme coin trading bot that will automatically take trades on your behalf even while you're sleeping. You can profit from this cryptocurrency meme coin market. I'm going to be showing you in today's video how to do this in a step-by-step process. If you do enjoy, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. Now, the first step to setting up this automatic meme coin trading bot is to first find these top trending meme coins of today. All we need to do is just find these top trending meme coins really quickly, copy the contract address, and then I'm going to be showing you the meme coin trading software that we're going to be using to set up automatic copy trading in today's video. So the first step of today is going to dextools.io. I'm sure you've heard of Dex Screener, but Dex Tools is also a great website that I love to use to find these top trending meme coins. I'll first head over to Solana, because as you know, if you've been following my channel, that Solana meme coins is where all the action is in crypto right now. And then right here, all we basically need to do is just copy this address. We can copy the address of these top trending coins and then paste it into our software. But one key factor that we do want to focus on is we only want to be copying and looking at coins that are trending and have been created today or in the last 24 hours. You can see a lot of these coins have that feature. Some of these coins 4 months ago, 21 days ago, 3 months ago, 20 days ago, that's way too long. We only want to be focusing on these coins here, 9, 13, 6, 11 hours. So we know that this is one of the top trending coins of today. But not only that, when we do find these top profitable traders that we're going to be able to copy and automate our trades through, we can ensure that they're profitable traders today. They're not profitable traders from 6 months ago. So that's a very key factor that you do need to take into account. So once you've copied the particular contract address, I'll be coming over to Telegram and using the Telegram trading bot TradeWiz. You can grab the link in this video description. You actually get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, even with copy trading. And you get free access to this feature where here you can head over to Smart Money. And now you can find the best traders within this token that you can begin to automate and copy all of their trades. So the top trader here has made over $37,000 on this particular trade. We can actually click here and have a look at all of his trades in the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. And we can track, wow, he actually made over $100,000 on this trade, 37 on this trade, 14.4 on this trade. Here he's actually up $125,000. He does only have nearly a 16% win rate, but he's traded 178 times with an average buy of roughly $650. This is a decent trader. The only thing that I don't like is that he does have a very low win rate. When I'm trading meme coins, I love to use Sniperoo, this meme coin trading bot. I can instantly manually buy into meme coins. I can track everything, like all of my holdings, and instantly even get out of my position. It's a really fast meme coin trading bot, and you can use the link in this video description for Sniperoo. With a low win rate trader that is extremely profitable, all that I do is actually, when I do set up my automatic copy trading, that I just allocate a little bit less Solana. So if I was to find a trader with these exact statistics, but he had, say, a 65% win rate, I would allocate something like 5 or 10 Solana to his trading strategy. But when we see this trader's only got a 15% win rate, he has made a lot of money. So I would allocate some trading capital to him, but it might only be, let's say, something like 1 Solana. We also see all of the other trading statistics, like how quickly he's getting in and out of his trades. There's also something that I've shown you in my copy trading masterclass, where I show you exactly how to find and track all of these trades, see exactly where he's buying and selling, also track the type of market caps that he's buying and selling. It makes you even more of a profitable copy trader with this automatic strategy where you can actually sleep and let these traders trade on your behalf. I really like this trader because he's buying in once, selling once, buying once, selling once. They're the type of buy and sell transactions I do want to see. But with a low win rate, he's obviously not the most optimal trader. So that was the top trader. Then we can just go down to number 2 and now analyze the second most profitable trader here. He's actually only taken one trade on this coin, so we won't be analyzing him. Let's go to the third most profitable trader and wait for him to pop up. Here we go. And yes, he's taken a lot of trades, 50,000 on this trade, 14,000 profit on this trade, 3,000. So 45,000 profit, 36% win rate. He's traded 1,000 times just in the last 7 days. That's probably the only thing that I really don't like is now that you see this guy's traded 1,000 times in 7 days. So that's roughly 150, even a little bit more. It's roughly 150 trades per day. So if he's taken 150 trades per day, you do need to times that by how much you're paying per transaction. If you're paying, say, $2 per transaction, then you're going to be paying $300 just in fees. So you do need to take all of this into account. That here, we probably have a few $1,000s in fees we also need to pay. And also, we're not going to make exactly the same amount of this trader, especially when we're copy trading. We'll make a percentage of it. So let's say we make 85% of what he makes. We do need to take all of these into account to ensure that there's enough room, there's enough gap for this trader to be profitable for us. The great thing that I really like about this trader is his single buy amount's $227, which means he's buying for low amounts, but he's still able to make this $45,000 profit. So definitely a trader that I want to actually copy trade. So definitely a super interesting trader, but there's a few factors here that are really stopping me from copy trading this trader. So we'll just move on to the next one. That was number 3. Go to number 4 and we can continue to analyze. This is the best thing to do because you can create a portfolio of copy traders. You can have 30 traders all trading on your behalf and making money in this meme coin market. And when you wake up, your portfolio is just higher because you found some profitable traders who are taking advantage of this meme coin market. So you can continue to go through and even find even more coins. So you go through all of these lists, add many coins, and in an hour, I can find a handful of traders that are super profitable, have all of my specific trading statistics. Then I can go through all of my steps that I teach you to actually make sure and ensure they have all of the trading statistics and trading features that I'm looking for, set up copy trading, and then I have a portfolio of traders buying meme coins and making money while I'm sleeping. But here I'm going to show you, for example, for this trader, if I was ready to copy trade him and say he fits all of my specific statistics and settings that I'm looking for, create copy trading directly within TradeWiz. And again, you get that massive 10% off if you use the link in the video description. Here to set up a new copy trade, everything is explained, but I'll show you my settings in today's video. So here with the tag, we have the name for the trader, so you can change that as you need. With the target wallet, you want to leave that completely as is because this is going to copy the wallet address for all of the trades. I leave buy percentage at 100. What I do set up is my maximum and minimum buy. So I usually set up my maximum buy at, let's say, something like 1.5 or 2 Solana. And then I set up my minimum at, let's say, 0.5. And the reason I really like these settings is I'll only ever be entered in for a maximum of 1.5 Solana, regardless of if this trader decides to buy in for $10,000 or something. Regardless, I only follow my maximum buy, so we can set that up directly here with TradeWiz. And we can also do a total investment amount. As I mentioned before, depending on the specific trader and how profitable they are and all of their different statistics will depend on how much I'm willing to invest. A lot of the times I'll give a trader, say, 5 Solana and let him trade with that amount. But then depending on, say, if a trader is a little bit more high risk, as I mentioned before, I might only allocate something like 1 Solana. With a lot of these other features, I don't like to change them too much because then I'll be changing the actual trader's trading style and trading pattern. So rather than actually changing each token buy times, I'm not going to limit that because I want the trader to use his own trading style to take advantage of the market. Some of the things I do turn off is don't buy unrenounced and don't buy unburnt. So I won't be buying contracts that are unrenounced, and any liquidity pools that are not burnt, I also won't be buying. So that's just something for safety, but you can leave them on. But from my experience, turning them off is great. Then we can also leave these on so we can choose to copy pump fund trades or Radium, Moonshot, Meteora. It's all up to you. You can also set up a minimum liquidity pool, which is very, very important. So maybe you only want to be trading minimum liquidity pool of say 20,000 or even minimum market cap. I really like to set up, say, a minimum market cap of 30,000, which means if a trader buys into a market cap or a coin that has a market cap of say 25,000, then we won't be entered into our trade, because TradeWiz is going to double check the buyer before, compare it to all of our settings and say, actually, hang on, this market cap is too low. We've set up a minimum market cap. And again, this is just for safety. Buying into those slightly higher market cap coins is also going to help profitability. It's also going to help in slippage, which is something that will change a little bit down here as well. So leave copy sells on. You do want to be copying the sells. We can also set up the buying gas fee. So obviously increasing that will give us a better transaction speed. Turning on anti-MEV is something that I do as well, and leave a small tip on the buy and sell. You will need to change the slippage. 10% isn't enough. I usually have somewhere between 30 and sometimes 50%, again, depending on the specific trader that I'm copying. And then once you're ready, then you hit create. And now you're copy trading this trader, and you can create a portfolio of traders automatically taking advantage of meme coins. As you sleep, you can profit from this meme coin market. So I've shown you from start to finish basically how to set up your own automating trading meme coin bot using TradeWiz. Don't forget to use all the links in this video description. If you have enjoyed, smash the like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one.